Hey guys, welcome to Lumber and today I'll show guys and Milo cookie cake. So I'm showing you guys the ingredients right now, and the first thing that you have to do is take some cardamom. I'm taking 2 cardamom, and then we're going to add it with some brown sugar, and we're going to blend it well so it becomes powdered sugar. Okay, now we're going to add our flour. You can use any type of flour that you have, and we're going to add our powdered sugar as well with it. Now we're gonna add some Milo powder that we have, and we're gonna add our baking powder as well as baking soda and mixing it really well. Now we're gonna add our vanilla extract, so you can add as much as you want. I'm adding just a bit, and we're gonna add our milk and gradually mix it to become a smooth like batter. So this is the consistency that you should get. Now I'm gonna grease a cake tin. We're gonna add it inside our oven, okay, and then we should have to keep the temperature at 230 degrees for 20 minutes, and you should take a knife and poke a hole just to make sure it's cooked inside as well. And that is it, guys. So it looks so good. It is like a cookie and like a cake, since the sides of it looks like a cookie and it's like nice and cookie textury, but the top and inside of it all looks like a nice delicious Milo cake. So I've added less sugar type of cake, so if you want to add a bit more sugar you can definitely add as well. And look at how soft it is, and yeah, it looks so good. You can add it with anything. You can drink it with your tea and coffee. And that is it, guys. I hope you like this video. Make sure you guys listen. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.